Assalamu alaikum. Today I will talk about the fourth type of the present tense, that is the present perfect continuous tense. As a combination of the perfect and continuous already shows that it has both the qualities of perfect and continuous tense. So let's start from its introduction. It is a type of the present tense that tells us whether the action is continuous or completed along with the starting time and the frequency of the time. If the action is continued, then it tells us about the starting time of the action, and if the action is completed, then it gives us the frequency or definite degree of the time. This is the brief introduction of the present perfect continuous tense. Next, I will tell you about its formation. So, the formation of the present perfect continuous tense included the formation of three types of the sentences that include affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentence. Let's start from affirmative sentence. The formation of the affirmative sentence include the basic structure of subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object plus timing of an action. So there are two types of the helping verb, has been and have been. If we have the singular subject, then we use has been, and if we have the plural subject, then we use have been as a helping verb. And fourth form of the verb is used as a main verb, and the additional characteristic of affirmative sentences of the present perfect continuous tense is that it also tells us about the starting point of an action or the definite degree of the time. If the starting point is given, then we use since, and if the definite degree of the time is given, then we use for. From these examples, I will clear you I have been eating mangoes since morning, last week, or yesterday. In this sentence, we have given only the starting point of the action. That's why we use since for expressing this time. And in the next example, we have given the specific degree of the time, 2 days or 3 hours. That's why we use for expressing this time. I hope you all are clear about the affirmative sentences of the present perfect continuous tense. Let's talk about next sentence, negative sentence. Basic structure include only the addition of the not, but the difference is that not is added in the helping verb, or we can say that between the has or have and been. From the example, I will tell you or clear you this point. I have not been eating mangoes since morning. In this example, we add not between the helping verb have and been. And in the next example, also we added not between the helping verb have and been. So I hope you all are clear about the negative sentence of the present perfect continuous tense. So let's talk about the next sentence, that is the interrogative sentence. In the interrogative sentence of all the previous tenses, we just took the helping verb in front of the sentence. The difference in this sentence is that we took the first part of the helping verb has or have in front of the sentence, and the rest part of the helping verb is on its place. So from the example, I been eating mangoes since morning, and in the next example, have I been eating mangoes for an hour. In both the example, we only took the first part of the helping verb have in front of the sentence and convert the affirmative sentence into the interrogative sentence. I hope you all are clear about the present perfect continuous tense.